Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again to online class. Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. During this pandemic COVID-19, dear students, I am Musharraf Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Nong 5 Union Jahanara High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Dear students, today I am going to take another English class for the students of class 9-10 on the topics right forms of the verbs. Dear students, you know right forms of the verbs is an important topic for the students of class 9-10, and in the previous classes I have discussed about many important rules on the right forms of the verbs. Today we will solve a board question. The board name is Mymensingh Board 2020. Dear students, I have already written the question in the whiteboard and you may follow the question, and we will solve today according to the rules of right form of the verbs. Dear students, in the boxes there are 10 verbs and they are know, hinder, hear, begin, call, remember, inspire, be, bear and join. Dear students, we have to know the three forms of the verbs, that is present form, past form and past participle form of the verbs. We have to select the right forms of the verbs for the boxes according to the rules of the right form of the verbs. So let's start. The first is you must have the name of Kazi Nazrul Islam. We have to select the right word from the box according to the meaning, and then we have to change the form of the verbs according to the rules. You must have the name of Kazi Nazrul Islam. The right word is here. You must have here the name of Kazi Nazrul Islam. You know, after have, has, had, the verb will be the past participle form. So the past participle form of here is here. You must have here the name of Kazi Nazrul Islam. The next, he, our national poet. We have to select the right word. The word may be verb. We know the verb is am, is, are, was, were. So verb will be is. He is our national poet. He is a rebel poet as well. Dear students, we have to select the right word. He know. He know as a rebel poet as well. He is known. Here he is known. You can see that this sentence is in passive form. We know that if the sentence is in passive voice, the verb will be also in past participle form with an auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is, and the past participle of form of known, know is known. He is known as a rebel poet as well. Here the verb has been changed according to the rules of passive voice. The next word is the sentence. He in a poor family. He was born in a poor family. The sentence is it in past form. So we have to select the right verb bear. We know bear means giving birth a child. So he was born in a poor family, and the sentence is in the sentence is in passive form, so we have to select an auxiliary verb and the past participle form of the main verb. He was born in a poor family, but dire need could not his potentiality hinder. But dire need could not hinder his potentiality. Hinder means obstacle in any work, and we know after modal auxiliary the verb will be base form, so there is no chance of this verb according to the rules of right form of the verbs. The next sentence is, when the First World War broke out, it is the indication of past time, so the verb will be in the past form. When the First World War broke out, he joined. Dear students, he joined. He joined the army. It is the indication of past time, so the verb is in past form. After the war, it is also the indication of past time. He to write poems. We have to select the word begin, and the past form of begin is began. He began to write poems. At that time, his poems and songs, at that time, it is the indication of past time also. At that time, his poems and songs, people against oppression. So we have to select the right word, inspire. At that time, his poems and songs inspired Dear students, it is in past form because there is an indication of the past time at that time, so the verb will be in past indefinite tense. At that time, his poems and songs inspired people against oppression. The next fill in the gaps is, he, the Shelley of Bangla literature. The next gap is, he, the Shelley of Bangla literature. We have to select this word. He is called. He is called the Shelley of Bangla literature. It is in the passive form, so according to the rules of passive voice, we have to select an auxiliary verb and the main verb will be past participle form. The next gap is, we should him for his great deeds. We have to select the right word, remember. We should remember. Dear students, there is no chance of this verb and the verb is in base form because we know after modal auxiliary verb the verb will be in the base form. So it is the solution of this board question. Dear students, I advise you to practice more and more board question to make you perfect. So I hope you will practice more and more board question at home, staying at home. No more today. I will take another class on the right form of the verbs in another day. Till then, goodbye.